Hello friends, welcome to my new data structures and algorithms in Java tutorial series video. Friends, in this tutorial we will discuss linear search algorithm in Java. So friends, here we are given an array of let's say n elements and we are given an element x which we want to search into this array. So below you can see the algorithm to search for an element x into this array. So this search method takes in the array into which we want to search an element. Here we also pass the value of n, which is nothing but the number of elements in an array. And we also pass the value of x, which we want to search into this array. So let's suppose if we are given this array which has 7 elements and we want to search an element x having the value as 10. So let's see the demonstration of this algorithm step by step. So here you can see the number of elements into this array is 7 and the value which you want to search is denoted by x, which is 10. Moving ahead. So friends, how this algorithm works is we start from the leftmost element of the array and one by one we'll compare x with each and every element of array. So here if x matches to any of the element, then we simply return the index of array, and if x doesn't match with any of the element in the array, we simply return -1. So here in order to compare x with each and every element of this array, we provide a for loop which basically starts from the leftmost element and traverses till the last index of the array. So here in this for loop we are iterating I from 0 to a value less than n, which is nothing but 7. So I will travel from 0 to less than n, which is 6, and then we'll compare each and every element of array with x. So at the start of for loop I becomes 0. So this I is nothing but the index value of the array. So we'll start from the leftmost element. In the for loop we'll provide a condition that value at index I is equal to x or not. So here you can see the value at index 0 is 5 and 5 is not equal to 10. Therefore the condition in if block comes out to be false. So here we are incrementing I by 1. So I becomes 1. So now in the if block we are again comparing that value at I at index is equal to x or not. So value of I is 1. And if we take the value at index 1 is 1. And if we compare it with x, then 1 is not equal to 10. So the condition in if block comes out to be false. So after the increment now I will become 2. And we will use this I to point to the second index of the array. In the if block we'll again check that the value of array at I at index is equal to x or not. So here you can see the value of array at second index is 9 and 9 is not equal to 10. Therefore condition in if block comes out to be false. We'll then increment I by 1. So I becomes 3. Moving ahead. So here in the if block we again check that whether value at I at index is equal to x or not. So value of I is 3. So value of array at third index is 2 and 2 is not equal to 10. Therefore condition in if block comes out to be false. And after increment I becomes 4. Now in the if block we again check that value of array at ith index is equal to x or not. So here you can see the value of array at fourth index is 10. And if we compare it with x, then both values are equal. So the condition in if block comes out to be true. and here we have found our element at index 4. So the if block will execute and will simply return the value of index where we have found the element, which is nothing but 4. So friends, this is how the linear search algorithm works in Java. Also friends, if we had searched any value which was not given in this array, then after this for loop, we would have simply returned -1 because we haven't found the value into this array. So friends, this was a demonstration of the algorithm. Now let's go to Eclipse and see the working of this code.